Hello and welcome back. If you have not downloaded this file yet, 06 Track Payout, please download it from your resource tab. In the previous video, we have generated these results. For each set results, we have our set numbers, we have our winning numbers, and also we have our addition numbers, all written inside a list. Now, using this as an input for our next video session here, I have listed them down here. So this is the set that we've bought, this is the winning numbers, and this here is the additional numbers. Now, if you recall from this price table, you need to have at least 3 winning numbers to win a prize. If yours is an ordinary bet, you will get $10 if you have 3 winning numbers. If you have 3 winning numbers and 1 additional number, you will get $25. If you bought System 7, 3 winning numbers will get you $40. And if you get 3 winning numbers and 1 additional number, you will get $85. With this table in mind, how do we incorporate this into our game? Using the example here, we have a list of my list, and then I'll separate it out. I just need a set, so my set 2 is equals to my list 0. For now, I'll be using this only, so I'll comment out the rest. I'll be using just this entry for our testing purposes. Now, how do we do our coding? First, let's initialize our winning price to become 0. And our set price to become 0 as well. Winning price means the total winnings from all the lists here. And the set price refers to the winning for this particular set. Now, we'll first start with the ordinary bet. What is the criteria for ordinary bet? If the length of my set 2 here, which is at index 0, have a length of 6. This is a criteria for ordinary bet because we are referring to this one. Now the length of my set 0, because we are referring to this, what is the bet that the player has bought? So we calculate the length of it. So if it's 6, which means that he is buying the ordinary bet. And what is the winning criteria? If length of my set 2 at index 1 here is more than 2, because we need to have at least 3 winning numbers. Next, we'll list out all the scenarios here. Now, if the length here, now, if the length of my set 2 at index 1 is equals to 3, and the length of my set 2 at index 2 is equal to 0, then I'm winning this price here, 3 winning numbers, which is $10. Else, if the length of my set 2 at index 1 is 3, and the length of my set 2 at index 2 is equals to 1, which means that I have 3 winning numbers and 1 additional number. Then my set price is 25. Else, if the length of my winning numbers is 4 and 0 addition number, I have 50. Now, for the 4 winning numbers and 1 addition number, we'll be taking a percentage of the winnings. But for simplicity's sake, we will assign 1000. Similarly, for 4 winning numbers and 1 addition numbers onwards, we set all the set prices to become 1000 instead of following the percentage here. Now, this is for ordinary bet. But what if you have system 7? To do that, we copy all this. The difference is here. Because the length of this my set 2 at index 0 is 7 for system 7. So the first changes you need to make is here, 7. Similarly, if you have more than 2, which means that at least you have 3, you will win a prize. And now, if you have 3 matching numbers for system 7, you get $40 instead of 10. So for this, you need to change it to $40. The next price value is 85. The next is 190. Similar to the ordinary bet, those that involving the percentage, we give it an arbitrary number of 1000. Now, let's test out our codes here. Now that we've done for both ordinary bet and system 7, let us combine the set price into this winning price here. So winning price is equals to plus equals to set price. We do a print statement. And we append the winning price into this set here. If we run this code, there's an underscore here. Now, if we run this code here, you see that winning price is 0. Because as you can see that we only have 2 winning numbers. We need to have at least 3 winning numbers to win a prize. Now, if we comment this out and uncomment this, control / we have 3 winning numbers here. If we run this code, you see the winning price is 10 because we have 3 winning codes. We have 3 winning numbers here. Now, if we comment out this one and uncomment the third one, we have 3 winning numbers and 1 additional number. It's $25 because it's a 3 plus 1, 3 winning numbers plus 1 additional number, $25. So we appended the winning price into the end of this list here. Now, for the last example here, this is a system 7 with 3 winning numbers and 1 additional number. When you run this code, the winning price is 85 because system 7, 3 winning numbers plus 1 additional number is $85. This code is working, but what we are doing here is that we are doing one by one for both the ordinary and the system 7. Now we will need to combine everything together with the system 8, system 9, and so on. We'll put everything into a function. Find the payout. So we create a new function, define track payout. So the input will be a list, the set number itself, so it will be my set2. We will be setting a global variable for the winning price. Set price is equals to 0. Now we will copy all this in here. Within the function itself, align with the if, we'll add in this for the winning price is equals to an addition of the set prices, and then we have defined our functions. Let's call our functions. Outside of the functions, you also need to initialize the winning price to become 0. Now let's run our code, and you'll see that the winning price is 85. And now, to translate this code back into our main program there, first thing you need to do is winning price equal to 0 is an initialization. You need to copy this in. Let's put it inside the initialization. Now we have this function here. Define the payout. All the way this, copy. Now we copy the definition codes for system 6, system 7, system 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. And now we need to call for this function. To do that, for my set3 in all sets results, we'll call for this function, check payout. For my set3. Now, if we run this code, okay, instead of all this, I don't want to see all this my set results here. I will comment out this at line 75. When I run this code here, press into the beginning. So similarly, I'll be buying 10 each. This is the output for print all set results here. Now, if I want to see my winning, it will be winning price. So what I'll do is, I'll do a print winning price, and I run it. You win 2,800 plus from the list here. In the next video, we will learn how to print out the winnings from this list here. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.